No more store-bought rinse. We're making our own.
Assalamualaikum, marhaban bikum. My name is Muhammad.
Hello, I'm Aya, and she is
Honey. Always wash your hands. Let's get started. Ingredients are
A half a cup of veganaise mayonnaise.
a half cup of organic buttermilk,
A half a cup of organic sour cream.
1 teaspoon of dried chives,
1 teaspoon of dried dill weed.
a 4th teaspoon of onion powder,
1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
a 4th teaspoon of freshly dried black pepper,
1 teaspoon of organic lemon.
a 4th teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Before we start, we would like to go over some interesting facts about this mayonnaise.
It's super healthy. It's soy, additives, and preservatives free.
Speaking of preservatives, they can be very harmful for your body. Studies have shown an increased risk for cancer.
It's very low in cholesterol and saturated fats.
And it tastes so much better than a regular mayonnaise.
And the ingredient list doesn't read like a science experiment.
Coconut, avocado, and extra virgin olive oil are all the best oils to be in mayonnaise.
Any other oils such as sunflower, canola, or soybean oil must be expelled or pressed.
If not, it's highly processed, refined, and GMO. Guys, you will not believe what's inside store-bought ranch.
Modified food starch,
Natural and artificial flavors,
soy,
lots of sugar,
plus it contains ingredients which are banned at Whole Foods.
all of which are not in a recipe. Plus, your body will thank you.
We tried this so many times until we got the perfect kick.
The steps are super simple. If you blink, you'll miss it.
Just throw everything in the bowl and mix.
Refrigerate afterwards for about 30 minutes or until it thickens.
And enjoy. Store in an airtight container and it'll last you a while.
Unless you're like us and you like to add it to everything, except ice cream. Though I did see Muhammad the other day add it to it. Did you? Bismillah. This is honestly the best thing ever.
The flavor's on
like
point.
it.
Do you like a hanina? I have one. Okay. Let us know what you would like us to make in the next video. And now to the Enlightenment Board. This is perfect on everything from salad to fries and lamb chops.
It's super tasty, healthy, and it has that perfect kick to it.
Super easy and fun to experiment with.
We would like to mention that the buttermilk we are using is from our local farm.
It's not homogenized, which means it's the closest thing to raw natural milk.
Non-GMO.
And it's pasteurized.
Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Smash the notification bell to get notified when we upload.
We need your support to continue bringing fun, exciting, and brain-fueling recipes. Inshallah انتوا حبيتوا الفيديو.
ما تنسوا اللايك والاشتراك بالقناة.
We'll see you next week.
مع السلامة. 1 teaspoon of dried dill weed.
A 4th teaspoon of onion powder.
1 teaspoon of onion powder. Wait, it's garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of dried dill weed.
A 4th teaspoon of onion powder.
1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
Stop it. Refrigerate afterwards for 30 minutes or until it thickens.
Store in an airtight container or another option.
No more store-bought rinse. We're making our own. No more store-bought rinse. We're making our own. No more store-bought rinse. We're making our own.